Hello, guys. The Ticker War. He is coming at you live. Okay, so I have quite a few things I want to discuss today. By the way, guys, please don't hate. It makes me really sad because I really want to keep a positive, nice community. But and guys, remember, Figo is mean. He is stinky. Nobody likes a seagull. Like they are like the rats of the sea, but they don't live in the sea. But by the way, just listen to me. I'm always right. You going to find my way if you listen to me, because I will tell you everything you need to know. Take a look out.